Hey guys, it's Bowser here with Penny Stock Data Science. We're going to be making a video here today talking about WLAN. Ticker has been popular lately, and what we're talking about today is that the company actually tweeted out that they want to uplist to OTCQB. Said here, stated today in a meeting, making the necessary steps to move to the OTCQB as soon as possible, and when they meet the requirements. And I tweeted out this earlier that this is very very smart move on their part. We can actually go to my Twitter feed and we can actually take a little look because we've tweeting a little bit today. But yeah, the QB tier and the QX tier, all these upgradable tiers from OTC markets get a lot more respect than the pink from brokers, institutions, all of that. So we did want to highlight this a little bit today, just you know see what's going on. Because it really is a big step, for a lot of companies out there. We also, if you go over to the OTC website, they have a lot of stuff here on, the rules to be QB and all of these things. I mean, the biggest thing is you have to be a penny. There's a lot of details here, but but overall, it just it makes the tickers. I mean, for one, most people think it has the 1 cent floor. That's not necessarily true, but yeah, there's some requirements here. The other thing we did want to talk about is that these tiers, there are a lot of different requirements to be on them and all these different things because makes them more reputable. If you go here to the other, these are, and by the way, these are all from OTC markets, but there's a lot of different things here. You can't be a shell. You have to do these reporting standards, all this stuff. But what it really comes down to is, you pay OTC markets to be QB, and it is on one of these somewhere. The information, it might be here. Uh, oh yeah. So you go down to the applications and all this stuff and fees. You know, these tiers that we have for QB and QX, they're really, I mean, in my opinion, like pay to play. You pay OTC markets some money, and you get this upgradable tier. It looks better. You look a lot better to all the brokerages out there, institutions, really anyone who you're trying to raise money from. And in return, you pay OTC markets some money. You know, application fee is $5,000 just to apply, and then you have an annual fee, $15,000 a year. That that is a lot of money. But in return, they'll help you with your 211 if you're getting unsolicited quotes, all this blah blah blah. So overall, this is really good for WLAN if they can meet the requirements and do it. I mean, we'll see if they can. I mean, if they can hold up the price, then yeah, it can go QB. Uh, but overall, it'll make the ticker, a lot more respectable. Not that it's not now, but this is the kind of the point we're going at. Pink isn't super respectable, but OTCQB is. So it's really really smart move for any company, and that's kind of why we're seeing more tickers uplist to QB instead of staying pink. It really differentiates. I mean, mostly it's the price. Anything over a penny, a lot more respectable. You can deposit it at a place like Wilson Davis, no problem. Anything under a penny, you can't deposit shares anywhere if you buy them on the private market. So being QB, being over a penny, it's a lot more attractive when you're trying to, raise money or sell debt or whatever it is you're doing. So, it makes a lot of sense here. And, a lot of tickers end up, they maybe not all of them, but some of them we see uplist to NASDAQ or New York Stock Exchange from QB. I mean, we have some other tickers out there like LZGI. They uplisted to QB, and now they're talking about uplisting to New York Stock Exchange. We have, tickers like CRTD, where they are QB and they want to uplist to, a listed exchange. So overall, this should be, pretty good for WLAN if they can do it. And, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. And, yeah, we'll be back soon with another video.